Here's another piece now which is at a more finished process. And just have a look there, Cuthbert. So what else do you have to do to that piece to finish it now?
Now after cleaning it like this, we take water and sandpapers, we wash it.
Yeah.
Until it is very smooth and shiny. Then we heat it and polish it with the wax and black nugget.
Yeah. And what color stone will that be when it's polished now?
It will be a bit black down here,
Yeah.
and lighter up.
And all your stone, where does it come from?
From Kwekwe.
Kwekwe.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we have a piece here which is all finished and ready to go. Should be in Utonga Gallery in a month or so. And how long would it take you to make a piece like this, Cuthbert? This one here.
To make it
from raw stone.
From raw stone to a piece.
Yeah.
Something like 3 days of hard work.
Okay. Yeah. So a lot of work goes into one of these pieces here.